with the sounds of letters. It's so much fun. From A to Z, we'll sing along with this Phonics song. We can't go wrong. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for fish, G is for goat, H is for horse, I is for ice cream, J is for jaguar, K is for kite, L is for lion, M is for monkey, Let's learn our ABCs one by one with the sounds of letters. It's so much fun. From A to Z, we'll sing along with this Phonics song. We can't go wrong. A is for laurels, na. O is for ox, P is for panda, Q is for queen, quack. R is for rabbit, roo. S is for spider, saw. T is for tiger, two. U is for umbrella, V is for van, voo. W is for whale, X is for Xmas, Y is for yak, yeah. Z is for zebra, zoo. We've learned our ABCs one by one with this Phonics song. Now